Hey there, Lorenzo Mayo Grossi, Georgetown Chevrolet Buick GMC. Today I'm showing you the 2017 Chevrolet Cruze LT. It has LED daytime running lamps, remote starter, keyless entry, push button start. It has a 1.4 liter turbo engine with auto start stop technology, finished in a blue metallic paint. Very sharp looking car. This does have the built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi, backup camera, 16-inch alloy rims. I'm going to show you the inside. Power windows, power locks, cloth seats, rear USB charger. These seats do fold down. 60-40 split. Does have a power driver's seat. Full gauge package. We do have Bluetooth, 7-inch touchscreen display, backup camera, heated front seats, air conditioning. Very sharp looking car. It does have a power trunk release inside. If you would like to view and drive the Cruze, please contact me at 905-877-6944, extension 240, or you can reach me on my email at lmailgrossi@georgetownchev.com. Again, my name is Lorenzo Mayo Grossi, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.